Hey YouTube, what's up? Look what I got. My first truck. 1968 International 1300 dump truck, 1 ton. Thing runs, dumps. See the interior. It needs some work. Needs some clutch work. 3rd gear synchro's gone on it, but I mean, got your lights. Get the cab light. Pull that out. You dim it and stuff. So bring it over to the hood. I mean, the frame's awesome on this thing. You can't see it. It's getting some bad skies pretty soon, so need some Bondo work here, but bought it for $1,300 bucks. It's gonna take 2 hands to do this one. On the paperwork I got, I believe it said International 304 motor in it. It smokes a little bit, but it runs pretty good. Got a new grill on it. Tires are shot, so these new tires. So we'll fire it up. See what $1,300 gets you here in Connecticut. Oh. So turn it on. I don't know if you can see the smoke, but got some parts with it. Got extra brakes, tires, rims, all shot, but got a new steering column. Need to put a hitch on it, but door leaks a little bit because all the stripping's gone. Need some interior stuff, but floorboards are new. Got your gas tank down here. But when we drove it home, it needed a 3rd gear synchro. It just would not go in, so everything works on it. Let's see if I can get the bed to go up. To the video cam. So the bed does work. So there it is.